Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert LibreOffice Writer document into a Word document. So I have this LibreOffice document right here, and if I want to convert it, I can head over to File, Save As, and here we are going to choose Word. So usually it would be ODF text document like so. Now we're going to change it to Word 2010 365 document like that. And then let's go ahead and rename this one, let's say Word document. And then click the Save button right here. And once that's done, we're going to head over to the file. So here it is. I'm going to right click this one and then open it. So normally it would be a Word document by default. And then when it opens, it's gonna be like this. So you can then go ahead and do the other things that you do for your Word document here in your text. So yeah, again, that is how easy it is to convert LibreOffice Writer document into a Word document.